ordered some cups for my birthday and let's unbox them. Basically, these cups are a return gift. Let's see how they look. Let's take out the first cup. Here's the first cup. Oh wow, look at this cup. It says, think happy, be happy. Good morning.
Show the cup.
This is a good cup. Let's see what the second one looks like. Okay, let's open it. Here's the second cup. It's so tight. It isn't coming out. Let me just try one more time. Okay, it came out. This cup is also same. These two are same. Okay, now let me take out the last two cups. Okay, here it is. The first one. Simply the best sister. This is a cool cup.
Is it for your sister?
Yes, it's for my sister. The next one. Oh, this one is simply the best brother. One was sister, one was brother. Brother, sister. I like these cups. I hope my brother, sister and friends like this. I hope you like the return gift I have got. See you in the next video. Bye bye.